हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ रितु और आज मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ कि विच इज़ द बेस्ट बॉटल दैट यू कैन यूज़ फॉर योर बेबी. See, after experimenting with so many bottles, I finally found the best one for my baby and would like to suggest you also to purchase this if you are searching for a good bottle. Then I am here with one of the well-known brand, that is Philips Avent. See, the look of the bottle is like this. You'll find this, your baby is going to find this bottle very comfortable in sucking. It will give the baby natural feelings. You see the structure, the silicone material is made up of very good material. You can see this. The bottle is quite wide, so it makes you easy to wash the bottle and to make milk. So I feel that you're going to find all the features in this bottle that will make you comfortable. So let me come to the feature of this bottle. Firstly, the bottle is the price of this bottle is near about 550, and if you get it in discount from the shop, you can purchase it either from the shop or from the First Cry or any other site. You can get it in discount and less price, but actually the price is near about 550. It comes in two sizes, that is one for with two holes, that is, and one with three holes. See, the you need to select the number of holes as per the size of the baby. See, the bottle right now what I am using is of 330 ml. So in this 330 ml, my baby is 1.5 years old. So he need to suck fastly. For that, I need a fast flow type sucking nipple. So the nipple has three holes in it. If your baby is quite small or newborn, so you need to purchase some different size for him, like the small one which has a single hole for slow sucking. That nipple is having a slow sucking motion, so you can purchase that depending on the age of the baby. So let me come to the feature. Another feature is that the cap of this bottle is quite tight. See, the cap of this bottle is quite tight. While shaking milk, the milk won't get spread to different location. What happens in the other bottle, what difficulty I found was that in most of the bottles that I was using, the milk used to get sprayed and get spread in different location, and that I didn't like. It used to make the floor dirty. So it's very nice. The plastic material is also very good. It's quite strong, and you'll find it easy in making milk and cleaning also. See, it's quite wide and you don't need a separate brush for it. Simply your hands can also reach the bottom, and the baby will also feel natural while sucking it. Now, the next product that is most oftenly used is a sipper. When your baby is quite grown up, he won't like to drink water with nipple or any other thing. Like, he's not able to use glass even for drinking water because it will spread all over his clothes. He won't be able to drink with glass because he's not that old. So the option that you have is sipper. See, I've got this Philips Avent sipper. After selecting from so many brands, I found that this one is very comfortable. You can use zipper of any other brand also, but since I'm using it, I want to tell my own personal experience that this is a very nice. See the look and its structure. See, it's quite trendy, it's stylish. The baby can hold, it has two holders in it, and he can sip from this, you can see, and you can close it so that it doesn't get dirty, you see, and you can open it by sliding it. The sipper has a very beautiful look which will attract the baby, and the baby will also be interested in drinking from this. The main thing is that water doesn't fall from this, you see, and he can easily suck. So I have already told you about the two products that I am using that is most oftenly used by the baby. You can also use that. And further about the baby and fooding, I'll be telling you in the next video. And please like my video and share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for my further videos. Thank you.